Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to implement a splash screen in our app. So if you look at an app, the screen that is appears in the beginning, which is visible for a few seconds, we normally called a splash screen. There is my main.dart file, and in my main.dart file I am returning a material page. So now I have to make a file for my splash screen. So I will name it as splash screen dart and import a package for my splash screen and a stateful widget and returning a class. Now replace a placeholder with a blank scaffold. In body, container widget and a decoration, box decoration and image and decorated image. So we have to pass asset image, and in my asset image a path for my image. So I already make a path, assets folder, images folder, and then my image in JPG format. Now a fit property and box fit dot cover. In my main.dart file a home screen, and my home screen is a splash screen, because we have to first see our splash screen, then we want to see our home page. Let's restart the app, and while our emulator is restarting, so over a child and a text widget. In my text, plant app and style, textile, font weight and font weight dot bold. Let's restart the app and see what the changes are happens, and we see nothing because of using incorrect widgets. To see changes, we have to wrap a text widget to column of main axis alignment dot center. Now restart the app again and see what the changes are happen. But there is again a problem with my widget. To solve this problem, I have to wrap with my column with a center widget. And now restart the app. For splash screen is looking pretty cool. Now some other text property like font size of 30 and a colors dot white. Now in my initializing function, means my init function, void and initstate function, and in my initstate function returning a super class dot initstate. So now what we will do, we will take a timer class, and timer class needs a duration in seconds, So I set as 10 and a callback function, and in my callback function, let's change the comma to semicolon. That's nice. Now we will use a navigator dot push replacement context and a new page route. So we have to define a page route. So material page route and context, a fat arrow, and then a new page to navigate. So we have to make a new page, set name as homepage dart, returning a class of homepage, a blank scaffold, and there we return our homepage route like this, some format, and import a package for homepage. Now we simply copy the splash screen body code for my homepage. So it's looking no different. We make the same UI type. That's it. And doing simple changes like some text change and my image path. So I want to show you some different image at my home screen and a different text like this looking pretty well. I hope you will like it also. Now putting a const here and also over here, so that makes my code looking better. Nice. Yo guys, I hope you will like this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.